Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of 2-Minute Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Coinplix application. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, open up your Coinplix app and make sure that you're inside the main home page of it. From the main home page, in order to log out or sign out of your application, you'll need to tap on the profile button at the bottom right. Now, you'll be able to see a log out button popping up on the next page. Tap on it and confirm that you'd like to log out of your account and tap yes. Soon after that, you'll end up in the main interface of Coinplix. To log in back again, you'll need to go ahead and check both of these boxes and tap on login. Go ahead and select your Google account in order to continue accessing your Coinplix application again. That is how you'll be able to log out of Coinplix app using your Android phone. If the video was helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.